Nuts during pregnancy. Nuts contain some key nutrients that are necessary for your child's growth. They contain good fat, protein, vitamin, and minerals that pregnant women essentially require during every trimester. Average 25 gram nuts provide over 130 calories and 5 gram of protein. Women should be careful while eating in bulk because nuts can make them fat. Popular nuts nutrition facts. Nuts are a good source of polyunsaturated fats, protein, and having a delicious taste that makes them a preferable snack. Most commonly eaten nuts are peanuts, almonds, walnuts, Brazilian nuts, cashews, and pistachios. Almond nuts nutrition facts. 25 gram of serving provides 140 calories, 12 gram of fat, 5 gram of carbohydrate, 5 gram of protein, fiber 3 gram, which is almost equal to 1 over 4 daily requirements. It is a good source of calcium and magnesium. Peanuts nutrition facts. 25 gram of serving provide 140 calories, 12 gram fat, 4 gram carbohydrate, 6.5 gram protein, fiber 2 gram. It is very good source of iron and magnesium. Cashew nuts nutrition facts. 25 gram of serving provides 138 calories but varies according to different uses. 11 gram fat, 8 gram carbohydrates, 4.5 gram protein, fiber 1 gram. It is a rich source of iron, magnesium and vitamin B6. Pistachios nuts nutrition facts. 25 gram of serving provide 140 calories, 11 gram fat, polyunsaturated 3.5 gram, monounsaturated 6 gram, 7 gram carbohydrates, 5 gram protein, fiber 2.5 gram. It is a great source of magnesium and vitamin B6. Hazelnuts nutrition facts. 25 gram of serving provide 167 calories, carbohydrate 4 gram, protein, fiber 2.5 gram. It is a good source of iron, magnesium, vitamin B6 and vitamin C. Brazil nuts nutrition facts. 25 gram of serving provide 164 calories, 16.5 gram fat, 3 gram carbohydrates, 3.5 gram protein, fiber 2 gram. It is a high quality source of iron and magnesium. Nuts during pregnancy. First trimester. Vitamins requirements for a first trimester are vitamin B6 and iron, which prevents morning sickness and maintain blood volume. Cashew, pistachios, and hazelnuts are good source of vitamin B6, and iron mainly comes from cashew. Second trimester. Vitamins and minerals requirements for a second trimester are calcium, vitamin D, and iron. Almonds are the main source of calcium, which is extremely important for baby's strong bones and teeth. Third trimester. Vitamins and minerals requirements for a third trimester are vitamin K and iron. All nuts almost a good source of iron, which is key for the growth of a baby. Pine nuts are also good source of vitamin K.